this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy, and today we're gonna draw a face. We're gonna draw a female face. We will use the same principles we did when we did the male face, but we'll make it a little softer, or a lot softer. So, like last time, we will begin by drawing our basic shapes. I will draw the top of the head, which will be like circle-like shape. I'm gonna draw the middle center line to show me where all my features will fall. And then I will oval it in and make it more like an upside down egg. We're using pencils. We can correct ourselves, erase the lines, and fix the shapes until we are exactly where we want to be. So work on your shape right now and get it the way you want it to look. Once you feel like you have a good oval-like shape, we will divide it in halves. So figure out the middle point and draw a line. That will be our eye line. Then the bottom half divided in half again. And then the very bottom part divided in half again. And now that we have all our guidelines, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the eyes. The eyes fall on this center line. You want to figure out the space, equal space from the middle point, and then make sure that you have this space in the middle and again here for the eyes. So the length of the eyes and this centerpiece are going to be about the same. We will draw the top eyelid first. So draw a U, upside down U oval like shape on both sides. And then the top eyelid that goes over that is right above that, so draw a second shape that follows it. And then inside the eye we're gonna draw the irises, and they're circles. However, we don't see the top part, so imagine the top circle going all the way up here and you draw the bottom part of it. And do it on both sides and make sure they match. If they don't, correct yourself. Inside the iris we will draw the pupils, and there's circles, and then a second small circle for the light speckle that's in the eye, and this we can darken in, and we'll do it for both eyes. And then I'm gonna add some lines here for the color of the iris and thicken these lines a little bit. And they're darker up top, and since we're drawing female this time, we're also gonna add some eyelashes, and you can do that by just thickening your line quite a bit, or you can actually add individual eyelashes. It all depends on who you're drawing. And then we're gonna draw the bottom part, and I'm gonna connect this almost all the way to here. So first I'll come in here and draw these little corners, the eye corners, and then I will draw a bottom line, but I will not connect them, so almost connect them, like so. And I'm gonna add some bottom eyelashes. The eyebrows go above the eye, and I'm gonna make mine kind of arched, so thicker in the front and then arched and thin out. I'll just draw the basic shapes for now, and then I'll fill them in with hair. The nose falls on this line, and I will begin drawing it by drawing a little U-like shape. That's the tip of the nose, and then curve it in on both sides, and that's where my nostrils will be. So I'm going to darken this for the nostrils, and then I'm going to draw lines around it for the side nose, for the sides of the nostrils. And I'm also going to draw a little line here to show the top of the nose. And the nose is in between the eyes like this. And we can add some lines here to show the bridge of the nose. Now onto the lips. The lips will be on this line, or right above it actually. So I'm going to draw lines from my eyes. The middle of the pupil is where the sides of the lips will be. That's how wide our mouth will be. And I'm gonna draw the middle part first. So this is the corners of our lips. And I'm gonna draw a straight line with a tiny little curve in the middle. And then I'm gonna draw the top lip. So we'll go from the corner, curve up again, and back in the corners. And then the bottom lip, I will draw pretty thick, but I won't go all the way in the corners, just thin lines. Now you can make your lips a lot smaller for a person with smaller lips, or a lot poofier for somebody with really big lips. I'm gonna shade it in a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and draw her chin. That's right here. And then depending how fat or skinny she is, you will make the face more round or less round. You can give her more chiseled look or more round face look. Her ears will be from this line, the eye line, to the nose line. So draw her ears in on each side. I'm just drawing them lightly because they'll be mostly covered by hair. But this is kind of why people with big noses have big ears, because the ears follow the nose. The neck begins right here at the ears, so I'll follow the curve of the face and then draw the neck. And I'll draw her collarbones a little bit too. Now for the hair. The hair goes over the head, so it may go like here, and it's gonna go through her face, across her face. So I will give her a side bang, so I'll go from here and draw a big strands of hair. I'm gonna play with it for a little bit. I'm gonna add some shading here. So this is the basic face with the basic proportions. You can go a lot further with it by adding a lot more shading, a lot more detail. You can add glasses, freckles, anything you want depending on who you're drawing. Now I'm gonna leave it here. Make sure to give me thumbs up and see you soon.